Hi there and welcome back. I guess many of you had serious doubts last week whether I'd continue working on the plumbing, right? But of course I will. And in the end of this video we will talk about costs and whether it's worth all the effort and, most important, whether it's doable as a DIYer to do the copper plumbing on your own. So let's get started. So that's a wrap for this week, and after last week's video some of you asked in the comments whether I could give some numbers and figures and a rough cost estimate about the entire project, and of course I can. So buying the material was 210 euros, which is something like 250 US dollars. The pipes alone were 85 euros, which is 100 US dollars, which means that only the fittings were 125 euros or 150 US dollars. And this means that the fittings themselves are much more expensive than the pipes. And renting the clamping tool was 46 euros per day or 55 US dollars. And of course, in my case, it was 2 times 46 euros because I had to rent it 2 times because of my stupid mistake. But anyway, and this means that the entire freshwater plumbing was round about 300 euros. And some of you asked, why copper? Why not use plastic or PEX or whatever? The answer is quite simple. First of all, it's quite common here in Germany to use copper because our building methods are a little bit different than they are overseas. And that's another thing. So there have been some, well, let's call it stories in the media over the last years saying that this plastic piping has some chemical plastic softeners inside, and this chemical stuff would diffuse into the drinking water, and this doesn't happen with copper. So that's the reason why plastic piping is not that common here. And is it a doable project? Yes, I definitely think so. But there is one tip from my side. You should always try to keep your focus on what you're doing, because as soon as you are not focused, like me last week, you will make a mistake and you can never undo it. So once you press the fitting to the pipe and it's wrong, you can only cut it off and, the fitting is gone. But anyway, I think it's definitely a doable DIY project and I would do it again. By the way, do it again. See you all next week. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.